Good morning students. I am your computer educator Neha. Today we will study OpenOffice Base. As you studied in earlier video how to create a database and how to create their objects. First of all, extension of OpenOffice base file are .odb. As like that, when we save any image in our computer, its extension is .png, .jpg, as like that so many. OpenOffice base file extension is .odb. First of all, we understand the topic operating system. That is your most common and basic concept of your computer system. Operating system, it works to help on computer with the help of software. It may be your any window you install in your computer, and it may be any Linux operating system. So, what is operating system? Operating system or OS is a software installed in a computer hardware that enables the computer hardware to communicate with and run computer program. Without an operating system, and computer and software would be useless. Without installing any window in your computer system, your computer is useless. Alright students, this is your operating system. When you purchase your computer, first of all you have to install any operating system. After that, it will work on any software. So we will talk about our topic is OpenOffice. Today we are studying OpenOffice Base. That is the part of OpenOffice. Its alternative is Microsoft Office. Sometimes it is abbreviated as OO, OpenOffice, or OpenOffice.org. Is an open source office productively suite. The software is compatible with all major operating systems, including Microsoft, Windows, Apple, Linux. These are some operating systems. These all operating system enable OpenOffice to work in it. सभी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में ओपन ऑफिस वर्क करता है ईजिली. ओपन ऑफिस यूजेस ड्यूअल लाइसेंस स्कीम फॉर सोर्स कोड कंट्रीब्यूट is freely available to all user. This is open source and every user use it freely. So these are some programs of OpenOffice. As like in Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word is available there, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access. These programs are available there. As like that, programs in OpenOffice are Base used for database, Calc used for spreadsheet or Excel, Draw used for flowchart, and Impress used for presentation program. As like that, maths allow a user to create scientific formula and equation. Writer program used as a word processor or MS Word create for documentation. So today we have studied about base that used for creating database. We are learning database here and how to work on database. OpenOffice Base is Comprehensive Database Management System. So it is a DBMS software that manages our data. It designed to meet the need of number of user. Number of user can work on the OpenOffice base. Handle everything from personal address book. It's mean we can handle everything on a number of records. So here this is one window of database. We have created database in OpenOffice base. So this window we can visualize in OpenOffice base. Here 4 modules are available here: table, query, form, report. When you click on table task will be mentioned here. Create table in design view, use wizard to create table or create view. As like that, when we click on queries task will be available here. When you click on form task will be available here, as well as go on report. So these are the four objects of your database. As you can see, table, query, form, report. We can see database carry four objects in it. There are some icon representation of table. This icon is as like that. Queries, its icon is represented like that, and forms icon graphic little image is represented like as, and report is this. There is some icon representation. When we use table, this image will display on the screen, and as like that, query, form, report. We can distinguish all four objects from their icons. When you create a table, this is your design of the table. You display field name. Also you declare data type. Data type also called as field type. This is your table design. Now we go on queries. What we will choose for a query that will display on your